How you guys doing? I know it's been a while and please forgive me, I've been gone for a while. Just life. I'm sorry guys. I promise I will do better. Today I don't know what to do to my hair because I just washed it, so I decided to wrap it around and all that. So hope it goes with the look today. Anyway, today I'm going to be reviewing the new F concealer, which came out like in February. So, and the concealer looks like this. Just a simple packaging. The concealer is available in 18 shades and they say it's 16 hours wear of this concealer. So, and it's £5, and you can get it in Superdrug online and F online. Okay guys, sorry about that. I was talking while I was doing my face. I've applied the foundation. I used the F foundation in the shade Cocoa. Then I used the F illuminator. This is an illuminator, a liquid highlighter, which looks like this. You can shake it up. I prime my face with the new Moulin primer, which is very hydrating on the face. Now I'm going to apply the concealer. I'm going to be using the shade Deep Olive. I'm going to try the shade to see how it goes. Maybe I might mix it with another shade. I think it's too yellow for me right now. I don't really like my concealer to be too yellow. So I'm going to take the shade Deep Cinema. I'm going to apply that on my under eyes too, just to balance out the Deep Olive. So then I'm going to contour with the shade Deep Cocoa. It's a bit sticky when you're blending it. Now I understand why they say that is 16 hours wear, because it dries really fast. So once you apply it, if you don't quickly blend, it's going to set. Then it will be hard to move around. So after I'm done blending, so my face looks really good. Now that I'm done blending, I really like the way the face is looking. It looks really flawless, and you can see the glow coming through with the liquid jelly highlighter something by F. So cheap and affordable. My face looks good. Even the primer is affordable, so this is an affordable bit right here. Nice. So I'm going to go set my face because I'll be reviewing the Fenty Beauty setting powder with the Huda Beauty setting powder. The Huda Beauty is the Bake and the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter setting powder. I'm going to do a review of this too. Then I'm going to be right back. After I've done my eyes and everything, then I'll come back.
Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new. Baby, but you know I
So guys, after I'm done with the face, the foundation and the concealer looks really good. I wore this makeup for some hours. The concealer really stayed put. So sorry guys, I couldn't come back to do an update, but concealer is really good for £5. I would recommend the concealer for everyone, but if you're a dry skin girl, try and blend fast because this concealer dry really fast. So let me know if you have any question at the comment section. See you guys in my next video. Thank you.